Hey friends, if you wish to fix display settings not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to restart File Explorer. And how will you do that? So search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open Task Manager. And then right click on the Windows Explorer process and select Restart. If you don't find it here, then scroll down and you will find it in the background app section. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is to update the graphics card drivers. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Now expand the list for display adapters. Right click on the first one and select update drivers, and right click on the second one and select update drivers again. The last solution will be a clean boot, so search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab, check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the service is checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.